Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the next part of our HTML programming series. Let's look at the requirements. What are we going to need in order to create HTML web pages? Now, as you guys know, a craftsman or an artist needs a set of tools to help them design or to create whatever they're trying to create. So I want you guys to imagine if you are a painter, you would need a pencil, paper, even paint, maybe even more tools to help you create your beautiful artworks. So in the same way, as a programmer who is developing an HTML web page, you would need the following tools. Number one, you would need at least one web browser installed on your machine. Now we spoke about web browsers in the previous tutorial, so ensure that you do go back and watch it again so as to gain more understanding. The next thing we're going to need is an HTML editor or a text editor. So this software application is going to help us, is going to enable us to write the actual HTML code. So let's talk more about text editors and HTML editors. Now a text editor is used to create plain text files, or most commonly known as flat files. So these types of files only contain plain text. In other words, there's no type of formatting such as bold or margins or anything like that. Now an example of a text editor is Notepad. And Notepad comes pre-installed with the Windows operating system. Now an HTML editor, on the other hand, is used to create specifically HTML files. So they do have more functionalities such as syntax highlighting, and they give you suggestions as you type in your code. An example of a HTML editor is Notepad++, which can be downloaded from this web address. Now, a word processor is not a text editor. A word processor is used to create documents like CVs, articles, whatever. An example of a word processor is Microsoft Word. Now the reason why we do not use word processors when creating or writing code is because they save formatting like margins, fonts, italics, spacing, and other types of formats that we do not want when we are creating code. So in closing, I want to repeat again that we never ever use word processors when we are creating code. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you